Good day, viewers. Today we want to talk about accounting. If you are a student of accounting and you are watching this, you can be joining us on accounting class. So we want to start by introducing to us what we mean by accounting. Now, before we can talk about accounting, we need to talk about bookkeeping. So, bookkeeping Bookkeeping, this is the act of recording the financial transaction of a business in order to know the financial position of a business at any time. What we mean here is that in any business, there must be a transaction. So anytime a transaction occurs, then there must be a record of that transaction in order to know exactly what the transaction is all about. Now, let's take for example, when somebody bought a goods that you want to sell. Now, the act of buying the goods that you want to sell is a particular transaction. So, the recording of that transaction is what we call bookkeeping. In another way, somebody sells a particular product. When you sell, there is a transaction that occurs. So, the recording of that transaction is what we call bookkeeping. Then we can now go to accounting. Now, accounting in the other word is the recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, communicating of the financial position to the group interested in the information provided. What we mean by accounting here is that after the recording of the transaction, which is bookkeeping, then there are other things that are required. What required is how we classify, the summarizing, the analyzing, then communicating of the financial information to interested group. So, in other words, bookkeeping is part of accounting. Bookkeeping is just a particular aspect, then accounting is the comprehensive of analyzing the transaction that occur in a business at a particular period of time. This is where we are going to stop today. In the next class, we are going to move to principle of accounting. So join us in the next class so that you can get more on accounting. If you are an accounting student, please subscribe to this channel.